dwarf or goblin. This is the model we're going to train, and we'll use XGBoost library for predictions and scikit-learn pipelines for feature preprocessing. In the second lesson, we'll learn about model registry concept and how we can deploy the model using Variant Express library. The third lesson is about prediction pipeline, which we're going to build in Vertex AI with the following steps. The first one, read the inputs from database. The second, to load the model from model registry and run it and save the output in the last step back to the storage. In the last lesson, we're going to learn how to build GitHub Action CI/CD, which is going to run some checks for each of the pull requests, like black for syntax check, Pytest for unit tests, and it's going to redeploy the prediction pipeline once the pull request is merged into main branch. So the first video is available here, the others are to come, and let me know how you like them.